When you place a shape on a drawing page, its appearance will be determined by default formatting settings. You can quickly change the appearance of the shape or line by using drawing themes. Each theme applies a different combination of colors, lines and even gradients to the shapes. To change the theme of a drawing page, go to Design tab. Page themes and their variants change the appearance of all shapes on the page. If you want to change the style of a specific shape, then you should use Shape Style. If you change the theme or variant of the page, then all shape styles will be automatically updated to reflect the newly selected theme and variant.